We're here at the studio and we have some special guests from 3M. And we're gonna do an education. They've come out here to teach us how to use the bonding tape, the 3N VHB bonding tape, which is amazing, and how we're going to use it and properly apply it to do a facade rain screen system. Damien, all the way from
Minnesota.
Okay, great. So he did one step before, and that was, what did you do here?
So what we did was a light abrasion with just a hand pad, 7447 hand pad. So we just lightly abraded it. So this helps with the adhesion. Also, it's also a very good way to clean. Get all the dirt and grease on depending on where they're sitting. And then you take a 50-50 mix of IPA and water.
Lint-free towel.
An IPA is also known as alcohol.
Yeah, isopropyl alcohol, which you can get at any pharmacy.
Wow.
That's
so
the,
you see all that dirt there, you just remove.
that'll become between your substrate and your VHB, which will weaken it.
And then if you want to, just as an extra checking step, you can always take a dry rag and just wipe it one more time. And then that way you can see you got all the dirt off, so you know dirt.
Correct.
So that's just an extra step. So would you like to do the honors, or you want me to do it?
Sure, why not?
Yeah.
Why not? Okay.
So this is a 1-inch roll of GPH 160F. So GPH is a new series of VHB tape that's specifically designed to bond panels and could take a high temperature process, whether it's powder coating process or a kind or a bake cycle. Right. So you guys are going to be doing about a 350F thermal bending process. So this tape could handle that. So,
and that's exactly what I was looking into. I've used this before, but then I said, oh wow, well, we got to put this in an oven at 350, and then I saw that you had this available. So this is incredible new technology that I don't think anybody
This came
knows
out this
about.
year, by the way. It is.
Yes, this is extraordinary what this does, because now we can take things and go where no mechanical fastener would dare to go, which is heating it
so
up.
go ahead and apply that on there.
We're going to go like this here.
Yep, so 1-inch roll.
Yeah, I'm just going to go like this, right?
Yep.
Because this is hidden, it's not that critical how straight and what have you, but you don't want to pull it now.
Oh, you don't want to pull it? Okay.
Be
easy with it.
Well, yeah, because then it'll just continue. It'll want to retract.
So
It says memory to it.
So you can use a pair of scissors, but you can also use a blade. And then this step is critical.
That's a J roller.
That's called a J roller.
Probably 15 bucks, right? 20 bucks.
Oh, from us? 98.
Yep.
So you want to
Flat pressure.
We got to get a couple of those.
Oh, really? Okay.
There you go. Apply pressure.
And that's like getting any air out of there, or making it just...
Yeah, and it's because the tape is pressure sensitive. So this is activating it.
So
now,
that's a good point. The tape is pressure sensitive, and so the pressure activates.
Yeah.
You can't apply too much pressure, so don't be afraid to apply the pressure.
Correct.
And then we have these hand tools that you could also use to apply the tape. So you can put it on here, do it there. Now, the good thing about this,
What is that doing right there?
so this helps you keep it straight, and this also apply the pressure to it. So if you go ahead and give it a
You
whirl.
can modify that also, because it has a lip here. You just sand that down.
So the good thing about the tape is you could tape up all your extrusions
Yes.
and put this on the shelf,
Yep.
and
Right.
and you're good to go. And then when you need it, you peel and stick.
Yes.
Okay.
There's no forgiveness once you apply it. Doesn't come back off. You can't
I understand.
tweak it.
So go ahead.
And that's an important point.
So a
That
slight
one,
jig or something that's going to line you perfectly. Or,
you need to line up, because you got one shot to get it lined up on the back of the panel once you peel this off right here. But in the meantime, it can start its bonding process, and you can prepare them and stack them. From my experience, and I've worked with this before, it's all about the proper application and the surface prep. And I don't think we had one of these rollers though. But
Damon, isn't it Disney?
Anywhere you get an air bubble, you want to take a blade and just pop it.
okay, good.
Yeah, and then
I didn't know that.
And then roll it out.
So air bubbles, you want to
Yeah.
pop them.
Yep, just pop them, and then the tape self heals. So if you put a hole in it, the tape will heal itself. Now, if you want to pause while we prep the other surface, then you can record
Okay.
that.